Good morning, everyone. Topic for the today is electric field, right? So, electric field for a charge defined as space around a charge. Space around a charge. This charge around which we are considering electric field should be large enough, big enough, usually known as source charge, right? Space around a charge in which another charge experiences force. So another charge here is taken to be point charge. Consider this pair, a charge capital Q and a test charge Q0. For the better approach, for the understanding and for the effect measurement, we consider capital Q charge, which is called source charge, is big enough, and test charge Q0 small enough. So, space around a charge in which another charge experiences force called electric field. Mathematically, electric field given as force acting per unit charge. As I said, for the better approach, we consider this Q0 must be small enough, and this equation first can be written as limit Q0 tend to 0 and F upon Q0, right? For this field, this should have unit Newton per Coulomb. Newton per Coulomb. Secondly, it must have the direction same as force. Direction of electric field must be same as force, right? And for the better understanding, better consideration, Q0 must be a point charge. Usually it is taken to be unit test charge, unit positive charge, right? For this, let me first consider a pair of two charges, capital Q and Q0. As per the discussion, capital Q बहुत बड़ा charge है, बड़ा charge Q0 is a test charge. So the distance between them is r. You can take this diagram as straight line, no worries. This one, this one. किसी भी डायरेक्शन में इसको टिल्ट कर लो, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. बट फॉर द अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट इज एनीवेयर अराउंड, चारों तरफ हो सकता है. इट में भी आउट ऑफ प्लेन, बोर्ड के बाहर भी, यहाँ भी रख सकते हैं टेस्ट चार्ज को, राइट? सो द फोर्स एक्टिंग ऑन स्मॉल q0 ड्यू टू कैपिटल Q इज स्मॉल k capital Q q0 upon r square by Coulomb's law, using now q0 taken to the other side, F upon q0. So this is k q by r square, right? By the definition, F by q0 is known to be electric field. That's why electric field is k q by r square, right? Am I clear? This is the formula for a charge to measure electric field around it. You can go for a simple case as per the previous class. 2 मिनट का पॉज लेके इस न्यूमेरिकल को आप सोल्व करोगे. एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन ट्राई फॉर दिस, राइट? सो फाइंड, इट्स ए क्वेश्चन. आप क्वेश्चन नोट करें, वीडियो को 2 मिनट के लिए पॉज कर देना, ट्राई करना, देन गो फॉर द सॉल्यूशन. इट्स ए फाइंड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड नियर ए 20 माइक्रोकूलम चार्ज at a distance of 3 cm, right? Find electric field near a 20 microcoulomb charge at a distance 3 cm. Pause your video, try this and go for the solution. Now solution, right? The formula is E kq by r square. K is 9 into 10 power 9, 20 into 10 power minus 6 micro you need to convert, and then 3 centimeter again you need to convert, 3 into 10 power minus 2 square, right? Solve it. The answer will be 9 into 10 power 9, 20 into 10 power minus 6, 9 into 10 power minus 4, right? Let's cancel out and you need to solve this. 9, 6 minus 4, it's okay, and 20, right? So answer is 2.0 into 10 power, right? 8 Newton per Coulomb. Then my dear, so this is about electric field. Michael Faraday given a virtual concept to measure, to give the effect इस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को डायग्रामेटिकली रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए माइकल फैराडे ने एक वर्चुअल कॉन्सेप्ट दिया, नेम गिवन एज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन और लाइन ऑफ फोर्स, राइट? सो नोन एज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन और line of force. So let me go for this topic. So electric field line oblique line of force. So concept given by Michael Faraday. What are these lines? These are imaginary lines. Right? जैसे किसी कार्टून नेटवर्क में स्मेल को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए एक लाइन सी बनाते हैं ना, राइट? ठीक है, राइट? दैट्स लाइक कि देयर आर सर्टेन लाइंस जो एक चार्ज के आसपास बना दी जाए जिससे उस चार्ज के आसपास की इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को रिप्रेजेंट किया जा सके. सो दीज आर इमेजिनरी लाइंस टू रिप्रेजेंट द फील्ड अराउंड ए चार्ज, राइट? सो डेफिनेशन, हाउ दीज आर डिफाइंड. सो दीज आर इमेजिनरी कर्व्ड लाइंस tangent on which at any point gives the direction of electric field intensity. I repeat, these are imaginary curved line. Curve, straight line is also a kind of curve. It may be straight line, it may be bended line, anything. So these are imaginary curved line tangent at any point gives the direction of electric field intensity. थोड़ा सा डायग्राम कुछ इस तरह से बना के देखते हैं. Let me consider a point here. This tangent should represent field. यहाँ बना के देखते हैं. This again should represent electric field, right? So then this line is said to be electric field line. One more way to define electric field line. The another way only applicable for the uniform field. Think about a field. This is a plate. It has so many positive charges. एक प्लेट पे खूब सारे पॉजिटिव चार्जेस पड़े. यहाँ consider another plate having so many negative charges, right? So if I place इस यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज, एक छोटा सा चार्ज यहाँ पे फ्रीली छोड़ा गया जो कहीं जा सकता है. इट इज फ्री टू मूव इन दोनों में. तो चार्ज कहाँ जाएगा? बट ऑब्वियस पॉजिटिव वुड रिपेल एंड नेगेटिव वुड अट्रैक्ट. So the path would be like this, right? यहाँ रख के देखो Q0, so this. So the path of unit positive charge when set free in electric field. किसी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में जब एक चार्ज को फ्री छोड़ा जाएगा, और obviously I am talking about uniform field, my dear. It is applicable only to the uniform field, not for the non-uniform field. So अगर एक चार्ज को किसी यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में फ्री छोड़ा जाएगा, then the path of unit positive charge represent electric field line. So these are the two ways to define the electric field line. One, tangent, and second, the path. Right? Now these field lines can be drawn by using certain characters, certain properties. So we can list out them. इन field line को बनाने के लिए हमें कुछ properties को discuss करना पड़ेगा as provided by the Michael Faraday. Let me go for this one. Properties of field lines. Now, while drawing these lines, we consider following points. Number one, these lines always start from a positively charged body and ends on a negatively charged body. These field lines always start from a positively charged body and ends on a negatively charged body. You can go for this. एक positively charged body ली, right? And then draw few lines. These always start from positive charge body outward and negative. You can consider, think about the unit positive charge. सोचो एक छोटा सा positive charge रखा negative के पास तो वो उसकी तरफ जाएगा. That's why field line entering in a negatively charged body and leaving away out from a positively charged body. The first property, they start from a positively charged body and ends on the negatively charged body. This property can be rewritten as they do not form a loop. एक बॉडी एक ही चार्ज से शुरू होके वहीं पे खत्म नहीं होगी. This do not form a loop, right? Field line never forms a loop. जब हम इनको मैग्नेटिक में पढ़ेंगे तो मैग्नेटिक बॉडीज आर ऑलवेज ए कपल, नॉर्थ साउथ एक साथ होते हैं. That's why they always form a loop. But electric field line में they never forms a loop. Next, these field lines do not crosses each other. दो फील्ड लाइन एक दूसरे को कभी भी क्रॉस नहीं करेंगी. बेंड हो जाएंगी, मोल्ड हो जाएंगी, बट वो एक दूसरे को क्रॉस कभी नहीं करेंगी. बिकॉज इफ दे क्रॉस तो उस पॉइंट पे दो टेंजेंट ड्रा हो सकेंगी, विच इज कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन टू द डेफिनेशन. दैट्स व्हाई फील्ड लाइन कैन नॉट क्रॉस टू ईच अदर, राइट? द अनदर पार्ट. नेक्स्ट, द अनदर प्रॉपर्टी, field lines are continuous curves. These are continuous curve in free space, right? These are continuous curve in free space. This can be rewritten as they do not have sudden breaks. कोई भी लाइन अगर वो फ्री स्पेस में ड्रा की गई है तो उसमें कहीं भी बीच में कट एकदम से सडन ब्रेक नहीं आएगा. दैट मीन्स दीज आर कंटिन्यूअस कर्व इन फ्री स्पेस. सडन ब्रेक मतलब वहां पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड नहीं होनी चाहिए. इफ एट दैट पॉइंट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज मिसिंग, इट मस्ट बी zero at the other point also. That's why it do not have, these lines do not have sudden breaks or makes. Am I clear? It's okay. Next, if field lines are anywhere denser, look at this picture, right? So density of field line represents stronger field. If I compare field at these 2 points, I can easily check electric field at A is less than electric field at B. That means if field lines are closer to each other at any point, the field, electric field intensity at that point must be stronger. अगर किसी जगह पे फील्ड लाइंस ज्यादा हैं तो उस जगह पे फील्ड ज्यादा स्ट्रोंगर होगी एज कंपेयर टू द रेयर पॉइंट. Am I clear? It's okay. Next, field line always act normal to the surface of a charged body. If any body is charged, तो उस बॉडी से फील्ड लाइन जब निकलेंगी, they always act perpendicular. They always act normal to the surface. These lines always act normal to the surface, right? I can draw this for the another figure. Let me go for this, right? Consider this kind of body. If I need to draw field line for this kind of pair, and next chapter we'll study about the capacitor. So if I need to draw the field lines, these are normal to the surface of a charged body, right? Always act normal to the surface of charged body. Am I clear about this? Okay. Then next, my dear, total number of field lines associated with total number of field lines associated with the charges 1 upon epsilon 0 to the charge. If there is q charge, उसके आसपास मुझे total number of field line निकालनी है. तो in that case these are q by epsilon 0. If charge is 3q, then total number of field line 3q by epsilon 0. What does it mean? 1 upon epsilon 0 to the total charge. The concept was given by Gauss, right? इसी चैप्टर में जैसे अगली क्लास में we'll study about the Gauss. So anywhere the total field line. So एक बार छोटा सा एक एग्जांपल लेके काउंट करें. एक छोटी सी एक्सरसाइज देखना प्लीज कि अगर मुझे 1 कूलम चार्ज के साथ, चलो 1 माइक्रो कूलम देते हैं. If I need to calculate total number of field line with the 1 microcoulomb charge, so can we consider how much? Look, it's a total number. It's 1 into 10 power minus 6, and epsilon 0 is 8.85 into 10 power minus 12. It's order of 10.6, right? Look at the total number of field line with 1 microcoulomb. इतने छोटे से चार्ज के साथ million lines are associated. Is it right? That's why total number of field lines associated with a charge are always much larger as compared we are drawing in actual figure. So इसलिए we can in general says a charge consists of infinite lines, right? Again, few questions, one or two questions. Textbook question number 1.26 is based on this category. I leave it for you. I just go for certain exercises. Look, now this is a given charge. Reference is again NCERT book. And again this is a positive charge. Now you need to check whether this diagram is right or wrong. Look. What is this? Now charge number 1 and charge number 2. The first portion is correct, whereas the second portion is incorrect. Why it is incorrect? Field lines are going from negative to positive, whereas we have a property that field line always travel from positive to negative. So that's why in this question this drawing is wrong. Go to the second question. So I draw this picture. This is a charged body and there are field lines. So many field lines outward. Is it right or wrong? Check yourself. The answer is again, it is not true. And the reason is, field line do not act normal to the surface of charged body. इस चार्ज बॉडी के सरफेस पे फील्ड लाइन मस्ट बी परपेंडिकुलर और ये ठीक नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज नॉट ट्रू. एम आई क्लियर अबाउट दिस? राइट, दिस इज द सेकंड पार्ट. लाइक दैट यू कैन गो फॉर सर्टेन प्रॉपर्टीज. राइट, चलिए लेट मी गो फॉर सम अदर पार्ट. सो ट्राई दिस. आई लीव फ्यू क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. ट्राई दिस. Right, number 1, draw field lines A part for an isolated positive charge. For the answers, you can go to the textbook. You will find each answer in the textbook in NCERT. Right, second part, for an electric dipole. Right, 1 and 2. This is an electric dipole. Right, and C part 4, a pair of like charges. You can consider two positive charges together. For the like charges, it's two charges equal. Further, you can modulate these. Complexity increase, decrease कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे you can take plus 2q charges, and here it is plus q charge. Right, how the field line differentiated? Right, try to draw these lines. It's okay. I will be posting one more video today. Topic electric dipole. We'll try to post this in the evening. Thank you.